Now, Yanko New York, Ochasie, the great man himself, the big man, I really miss him so much. Patrick Ose Ajiman, Countryman Songo, Bossu Bakupe, Sarah Ghana Fonina ATO, Send a Nomatia, New York.
Me mo bibia kwaba na more fire and come out bibia or a Ghana or share a fire for fire. And for New York, Mount Vernon, with the family, no make me a culture was very fantastic. I mean, bibia koso kama, you know, it was a happy moment. Say me be do New York, Mount Vernon, me be home with ma and my wife. That is the family. It was really a fantastic moment and a day for me. And made me a catch us be bearded and we are all looking up. Say, I mean, we have a fantastic family reunion and stay. And also today we are looking up, say, Blasters. Everything Eddie and Kunima qualify straight up. I'm a young who say yes. Ghana Blasters. AFCON qualification is simple, Eddie. You understand? AFCON qualification is simple, Eddie Ghana. We don't have to struggle. Or see, it's me qualify. Or the by now, qualify. And then, when say Ghana, will be our attention. Yeah, it was our giveaway, which I believe said, I mean, we have to keep the boys on their toes, the professional way to make sure on which we are qualified Ghana. But with my family there, New York, Mount Vernon there, fantastic. I mean, NEG more fire.
More fire. And now on commentary position, Jaya can say, team no, so much me a winning. I get 3 points, you know, from South Africa before some member do Ghana. Fireman Ghana for you. More fire.
More fire. Yeah. Said them D can kind of.
Yes, ma'am.
AFCON, no. Ghana are 4 times. And Ghana, it could be a banu African Cup. You qualify on several occasions. I mean, you can't be an AFCON qualifier, no. And yet they for my and I expect Coach CK in the boys and they say they will deliver. Yes, we may not have the full complement of our team. Maybe our boys in Ingina, the captain, Jordan and Cody are not there. But I believe that Ghana, your talent, your players. And Ghana, your players and your talent. You get the right thing. Ningina is your correct players. Ningina is your correct selection. That is all that we need. We will qualify. And me know by now, no thank you to me qualify and I see a qualify me. By now, no thank you qualify me what you call Sudan say, Nenu Kwanse Sudan say. Sudan, yes, you grow muso bobo, all right. But history will tell you say Sudan for Omuntimi, Omusre. So by now, this game would have been a preparation match for a AFCON now. You understand? Because more than 30 years, it means AFCON trophy, it means cup. Into that preparation, you know, also started from the and it's told me final game, no. Me who say yes, yeah, the AFCON not but now this is where we find our situation 9.9. It will be a win. No to me, yes. South Africa, Olusu game where Sudan. Very difficult game at the man because Sudan also they are bent on saying also ever qualified. Playing against Sao Tome, Sudan for they would definitely get the advantage to win. You understand? Because Sao Tome, the whipping boys and your team Biasa, 80 now, and then also your boys, you know, giving them that chance to prove that Blasters and they can also play because almost your talent to they have to deliver at all costs, seeking any excuse.
More fire.
You understand? Because South Africa follow almost so top guys. Because of COVID situation. But their local league, you know, so fantastic. I mean, they have the likes of the Mamelodi Sanders players, you know, Kaiser Chiefs, Orlando Pirates, teams, you know, almost so fantastic players are almost so put two together, playing at their backyard, no. But South Africa for this real. South Africa for no Oman Kasan say Omusuro Ghana. And Oman Kasan say ye more born Ghana show. But a Jinaye players not to coach in it, excellence in coaching it tactics. He has to show, CK has to show say he's the man in charge because supporting the now kind of yeah, the man from the president and the last person.
More fire.
Be a the man.
More fire.
You hope it's bit me a deliver. It is nothing but say CK bit me a qualify so much we and net yet South Africa your bubble born baby no say Ghana qualified. Now your boss told me match no Homer a Ghana. We can use that match as say you prepare your whole call a year AFCON. That and no say one for the top guys then at least Oma your person your drafts to the national team. Some players can show off. November CK getting boys need together, preparing them together for AFCON. Near to me a formidable and a fantastic team. Near to me they are quite breaking that genes now more than 30 years.
More fire.
To me any day.
More fire. More fire.
And the thing man say CK and then the boys, you know, they have to deliver and coach Ube deliver good tactics, good formation, discipline. Your boys will listen to you. They will play according to your instructions. You will be in charge. You will make sure say daddy and good selection and influence selection. Yes, you have the boys. But putting the first 11 together and sign a more bench now back about making impact of the game. Look, a coach, you know, and CK Akono. Ghana in their show, Ghana is supporting him out. But what we are saying is that you yourself as a coach have to be disciplined, very disciplined in your tactics, your formation. You make sure say your selection, no interference. Yes, you listen to your advice, but at the end of the day, it should be you, CK Akono, to make sure that at all costs, we bet me qualify me who say, you don't call AFCON, you perceive breaking that genes of 30 years, more than 30 years into me, you perceive breaking that genes, no, your master tactician, be or yet discipline, will bet me the alcohol, I'm here to me a quacoji, Sakapo, more fire.
More fire, fantastic. I told my viewers and then my listeners, and they said, the great man himself and I join the show no our commentary position and what channel what who said and they what they fire no out from now watch the CK and no me say to me so 85 man before major no now talking about CK and the players too mona mo kwa ko dinamo CK amount chance who your local player you also have to deliver and yes afei and a player be ko pupuneto and a friend a player be ko any ope. Now talk to the players. They are also watching you now. Yeah, so ni say
oh player be o baba ball from be want to give you the best piano. You be permanent national team. We encourage that player. What I say because selection ne buy no a lot of things now cost. CK did selection ne buy a lot of things. What I say omo ma film, omo ma be kan, omo ma withdraw, you understand? Omo en sem fata so omo bebem. Yeah, Ghana need be a player, be as a pataso of national team, no.
More fire.
But any average players,
more fire.
And your players are, you know, almost cut out for the national team.
More
now, you almost agent be, and now penny be, and now chairman be, and now president be, and now officer be, and now politician be, and now coach no crowd seeking no interest, basa be, no more players, grand national team because. Ghana would in Ghana national team no can sell players. Player winning ball, Bokura or your average in the or say blasters Jessia, ne value, our butchery market, no fantastic because what say Ghana blasters Jessia. Ghana, it would deal with football. Ghana World Cup, Ghana J AFCON, African Cup, Ghana are producing great players. You understand? There are baby players, you know, the Razak. Abdul Razak Mo, Mohamed Polo Mo, Osei Kofi Mo, Ghana produce Stephen Apia, Ghana produce a year Tony Yabua, Ghana produce a Samoa Jan, Ghana produce fantastic players. Eti Ghana play a bio blasters Jesse Biano, Neton Abuchiri, easy. And we are not here to sell players to say the national team, no, my average players agent for agency for any interference so-called football people paying for any players just say omu benyo benefit so money benya the benefit money benya cap or money bedin kunum and you hear Ghana for say the players no omu any opportunity neno yengina ye heavy player be over ball fun bia one year well cut out for the Blasters biam you be fire
in a professional
Blasters
in a professional
and you be able to so player fun bia so on national team because already Celeste Niban a lot of things a lot of fire a lot of talk and akoswa ya chirem pay for no any coach in say yeah Blasters no and yes also omudi player agency me to top players but rather national team no enya correct players o metimi akoko den ama ye competition especially AFCON no ye betimi akoko break that genes na yetimi age and African Cup and the players in there we are supporting them but we are keeping them on their toes in a professional way to make sure say o met deliver their money player be obobo ball fun bian o jabe to sin ye be yin free national team and ya be national team so this is the opportunity they need to deliver and deliver well for Ghana. You hear win, you hear qualification in there. I'm a Ghana Obia who say yes, this is Ghana Blasters, African Cup of Nations, and I say AFCON qualified here. A cheap, a easy,
the cheapest one. And one
Ghana, and one your coach the Ghana Blasters more.
Which me qualify, so to me qualify. More fire. So go where the you better say na yen se umbre bebre ese ma Ghana fo so etimi pem na obian so ebe fire in the professional way. Na se okwa ende when ya chocolate kakra at Africa ma bibia de dem din.
Nyame enso so enka obi bia emrepa bia mo beto mo safre me bia no mo betemi ka. For now it is all New York, Mount Vernon, the fireman with the family. It is so super and fantastic.
More fire, more fire, more fire, more fire. 03022111701, 03022111702, 03022111703, 03022111704. Mr. Oba, ya din komo. Enya feina o sign abeye sa kululu line no. Mr. Osmosis, tam nisha obiba no delay pe yini free so. Obie volume no na oversee a time yini free so ni enko yanim apirugu chakapama fire Ghana 40 more fire
okuma kra kimpon cappuccino tiu live okuma kra I think we see Black Stars the best of luck and then omuma defense ni munyatin
more fire
midfielders no omunye tumaden na attackers ni so goals ni tu kono ba yadin na so omun draft inti na no definitely no yes we need match
oja guli fire ni enko fresh lady capsules freshman capsules and council minia
Nedia ye bonfire ma Black Star
more fire
yes sleep players ya ombenya akwanya no se ekwem bia so omun to ofode na next time ye fresh squad ya flow mo na so omun kototo papa so they say the song go kan ye no what ye pam wo mo medium wa release so omun be ko de ye nya ye draw the ose getimi edeba oni nyam nyu
Hamtamin ginseng big boss energy drink sanso and a perfect designs omuno ma shemi atade kama no perfect designs fantastic afternoon call mama man twempna fire ne yakua nim Ghana 40
yo minia mesomu ewosuhum
yakua nim
minia wohwe oman Ghana mribi atwamo a we ye me wofase we ye makunta we ye minia ba men senia manu atwam so what you say senia manu nyina ayade atwam it is say no so kila game na eba so no minia Ghana for unum say siki akono match when in the first place, the match is a tough match. The moment Ghana, South Africa, you say a tough match. And at the end of the day, no, I hope the Siga could have been at the moment Ghana.
Oja, me yakua nim so mo this winning mentality no and a co game no more. Man twempna fire ne yakọ Ghana 40 Ishak, mayentie Ishak.
Kobe.
More fire.
Kobe Ghana Blasters yabon hoka e the taxpayers money ne twa omuka. O hwe plane ticket ni we ya twetwa mo ma ba Ghana ha ye almost e ko South Africa no. Ye de supporters no. Isika ya say no omo hu nyina ye de nya ni win. What ya say ndi obi an ka say e ko bodra na e ko lose azan ya be calculation go group no. Aye open at 3 teams no bia betima qualify. Ntinya fe na e be calculation bia omo nko no mun ko wini no mun qualify ko AFCON no e ma because already e bo mu ka yenya so mfa so bia na man wini no mu
ba ja me yakọ ni Thomas fire ne yakọ Ghana 40 o me yenti o Thomas sentimi engine so jana hyehyɛ no o cha say Hepa Plus Mixture Hamtamin Ginseng Big Boss Energy Drink Elohim Treatment Center Sakumeyo family fire ne yakọ ni Ghana 40 o ono so entimi engine Fresh Lady Castles Sakumeyo Mayentio
Akwaga
Metio pa yentio yatonka
mama baso but my fire mission na cha can't also go fire pa fire mission ele kan say also for mu de also to take go tiao I'm boss so I don't know can the brother the player that's a man going to see that's about to pass over pamo asa wo biom e di wo ya chance ya also to be boni here they got to qualify let me show bye.
Oja ese omoti asese we on train and do final game as we qualify we a player near more kwenja so prove yourself against South Africa. This is the game I bet you media prove Alhaji Makosa a join show no enche obetenenka na mafire wie Songo fire Ghana for fire Alhaji be fire na ye oja boom no we about to say we say boom 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 now let me hear say way. All right, live ewo Adum TV so na Sabre wani egusu a wo hwe no fire for fire. Sabre de Alhaji Makosa na watena se enche na se obetine nka se wono so ede ne de eba. And the fireman oti se wo fire edi free eye New York. Ache se enya dia eda form kra enso hwe no so se enapa mackerel de bia meka wasem echo se eno ene papa no okokrom akoto eye enam egu chensi mu a waka se ope enapa de ni bi eno ene de papa de bia no yekoso a eka wasem echiro sanso ena heaven insecticide spray ene mosquito coil no eno so ejina na so pa mesro kono kope bi na eno so entime emboa ene ena yenua Kofi Park empenfo hwese ne na wotweda no ebetime aye adwuma na me ho se dodo na na eba town sabre ukoma na se ade se Kofi Park enso free eye Kofodia eba o cha se Kofi Park ono efri Kofodia eba DJ advisor ne na wotwe eye no nti no mo nyina no eba total 2 na Kofi Park ewo Kofodia na yenya ne ntie se omo eba we a special one from my boss or say happy birthday enko Enfama Junior Tiero shatter the whole Ghana and then udu awoda from Miami boss Patrick or say Ajiman countryman Songo or say happy birthday Sonko and confirm Junior Tiero and they also udi awoda Alhaji Makosa bibia come there
Kobe bibia okay
all right yeah share line up no enya emetodwa officially you go so tete senke beba but now no game way a match it me qualify free South Africa as Ghana.
What's Kobe say team qualify said kind because we share your group now say I ding dong. What I say? Oh, do you know what I say? Because we share Sudan for near breeding then say can be as so qualify because and now we can win a match against Sao Tome. We can share 2-0. Next is almost Ghana South Africa. Any Sudan, you know, 9 points. What I say? Now almost returning leg, almost South Africa for the bebo. What I say? It in South Africa for 20 years, but say almost Ghana, almost so silly qualification. What I say? Into Ghana, they say at some day so into coach Sika Kono. Yesterday, one after players in the call, young person Kululu BABC. They say, well, Timmy Falana for the crowd, but I can't 2 hours spending a starting match.
Line up on mine.
Line up on mine. This is a line up. But 24 hours, crowd to me line up. But what was a deal Ecoso, our camper, when Timmy Falana up on Mamma who said, whenever, what was a normal Ecoso, and quit but media, me person made the fire about 2 months on the phone there. As a Ghanaian, your person qualified.
And then I saw qualified.
Your person Nipa Bakunti, La Ghana, you know, Vibia say, there be Sika Kono, there be a camp. Local coaches, yesterday. Yeah, the national team no mama more be am funding someone jam. What I say, one go find the player be free baby am say o timi farmer. And no be na man to say I make want to be for land up no man.
They say born here 4 o'clock.
Ah, 4 o'clock there. You international matches. The Ben Yaba match 4 o'clock. You to be ball 7 o'clock.
1 hour before kickoff.
Oh, massa. Where international match? Where in the club? Where in the club matches? International national team.
Think about this time.
But this time, Yaba. Why your team? You know you won't near born in the end to me more.
Never difference now.
We see problem. Your problem, mano. I had that junior coach. You want to be first 11, you know. And I didn't work with four players, you know. Conchester, you know, boom. Obey them, call me Pokune too. What I said, Bako, Conchester, Bako,
free.
Yes, it is the same. It's a Ghana for Munchini, Utukom Pukwa. She said, I got a player like Conchester player. What I said, it's a woody echo, or to me for my. It's a threat. No person fire the bay to my young Ghana for. Yes, just one year the right thing. No Ghana into me good results. I need the Ghana into me not drop him now. Na who say yes I told you ha na that na ye ku omu kra na bibia firi ho but boys no say sele no na e ka no obi obenya akonya bia ma ya for first 11 and obenya akonya bom ati bia kuma na chi no
okay
kuma man no na who say ye next time ye fra wa Ghana ni bia no obitima ka asem boni bia fa ho.
All right, Alaji mamenda say na Andy Eshen ewo Asida FM or say a done deal at the Magana. And I think Mr. George Dazi, also a RFA Vice Chairman of Western Region, and also say a done deal at the senior national soccer team, the Black Stars of Ghana. Yedibesi, Namaya Tumachina, Adumbi, Adumi Abesapa, na Yedidia Kenya Danso, Yedia Pro. Yes, also, Unim say, I'm not sure about, and what this Mabesi, Numede enemy, or Babema Yehu and Samaudua, and also a Koso. Within the Kobe Stone, or Kuman Kra, Pakua Maka. En suroja dura enyono numero 1 sheshe.